So if you're like me who's doing his video production in a super limited space, then you might want to watch the whole thing, because today I wanted to show you the setup that I'm currently using. I actually found out about this with excessorize me, something like that, but I'll put his channel right here. I simply leave it clamped onto the table and do not remove it, you know, and then I have this angle to work with, that angle to work with, I have this one too, and that one too. And also, if you want to do a top-down shot, then you can do that here. I've had it for a while and I just wanted to show it because, like I said, there's no video that actually shows all the details about it. So let's do an unboxing first. Secondly is the details, and you know, I'll just show you the whole thing, how I use it. All right. Okay, so that's it for the video. Hopefully that's informative and detailed enough that you benefited after watching the whole thing. If I missed something, if you have questions at all, something that I can test for you about this setup, about this contraption, just let me know. You can hit me up in the comments, DM and Instagram or Facebook, but I'm mostly on those two, YouTube and Instagram. So having said that, we'll end the video here. I really appreciate it if you guys can, you know, hit a like on the video, because that way they would recognize, or the platform would recognize this as a useful video, not just a crappy one. So yeah, advance thanks to that. And that's about it. Until the next video.